Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only
Here I will discuss with you some map function. So what is the map function? You can see map function returns a map object which is an iterator and of the result after applying the given function to each item. So I have already created this. See what is the syntax of the function. So if I want to create a map function, okay, so first I will show you some that after if I put input and again after b similar thing, okay, so I can do multiple function by creating a b c d and so on, okay, and I can print some a comma b, okay. So if I put some you will ask some value, right? So if I give 4 and then 5 and it will just print the values, right? So instead of this, if I want to create a in a single manner, okay, what can I do? I can do by this, right? Instead of just dot split, and I can do by this, okay. So I can put both of the function by creating 4 5 and it will print both of the values. But if I want to print multiple function in a single way, I will not give a b c and so on. Instead of that, I can print a map function, okay, map function and a function, okay. So what it will do, it will not print. Now if I now runs the thing, it will give me an error because what map function wants, a function as well as a tur, okay. So I have to give int or str whatever I want, okay, a float number or a integer number or a string number, okay. So I have to give both of the function. Ignore the integers, and the integer string are the predefined function of the computer. So now it will print it will create, if I print there, so you can see if I print these type of things, it will create a function, but b is not defined because I have, sorry for that, so for this, because if I print this, it will just create a function, okay. Now I'll see 6 7 8 and it will create a function, okay. The function is created in the map function, okay, but I will not able to see the what is printed, right? So it has printed at the object, okay, it's some random. So to see the function, okay, I have to give a list to list the map function, then I will able to see the thing. So now when I will give 6 7 8 9 6 and it will all print like this, okay, a multiple function in a single line. So this is a one example. So another example where I can use a function effectively for I will give you a simple example, right? If I print a function, okay, a function like a number function, okay, so I will use in and it will print comma. So I will see if I have given a number, I will give a number. It is odd or even, okay. If n divisible by 2, the remainder comes 0, then it's obviously it will print even, right? Even, okay. If else it will print right. Else it will print odd, okay, odd. So I think I have to give the number, but instead of this I want to see multiple function, right? From like if I want to see multiple function like 1 2 3 4 random, okay, 6 7 8 3 2, okay. So these are the function, so 10. So to see the function I can use for loops, so n in str, but instead of that I can simply write a function, okay. So a map function, you already know, if I print a map, only the map function, it will create the map, but it will not, we will not able to see the function, right? For that we have to print a map, and after that we'll first print the function, what function we want, right? And then we will print what we want to put in that to return that thing. Okay, so st. So when I print the function, it will just give me whatever I want. Okay, so you can see this is a, so you can see if I scroll down. So first one is odd, one is odd. So first one is odd, sorry. Odd. So first one is odd, then it's odd, then it's even, right? Then it's also even. 4 and 6 also even. Then 7 is odd, right? Then 8 is even, and like that it goes on. So I will just print again for your, so I will just for clear understanding. So see now, so 1, 3 is even, so first one is odd, and first one is odd, 3 is odd, 4 is even, 6 is even, and so on it will print. Okay. So now how I will get that, that's how map function is used. Okay, thank you guys.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know